Password reset not sending email on Publiccom Fix. You've clicked forgot password on Publiccom, waited patiently, but that reset email never shows up. It's annoying, especially when you just want to log back into your investing account. But don't worry, the solution is simple and fast. The first step is to check your spam or junk folder. Public's password reset emails sometimes get filtered automatically. Search your inbox for Public or no reply Publiccom. If you're using Gmail, don't forget to check the promotions and updates tabs too. If you still don't see the message, confirm that you're entering the same email link to your public account. Many users create multiple accounts over time, and the reset link will only go to the active one. Next, add Publiccom to your safe sender or whitelist settings to ensure emails aren't blocked by filters or firewalls. If you're using a work or school email, try using your personal email instead, as corporate domains often block automated messages. If you've tried all this and still get nothing, go to Publiccom Help and submit a support ticket. Include your full name, registered email, and a short note explaining the issue. The support team can verify your identity and send you a direct password reset link. Most people get this wrong. They think the app is broken, but it's usually their inbox or an outdated email that's to blame. Once you're back in, take a moment to update your account info, add a backup email, and enable two-factor authentication. It'll save you a lot of time next time you need to log in. At the end of the day, this issue isn't permanent, it's just a small bump. Follow these steps, and you'll regain access to your Publiccom account safely, securely, and stress-free.